Cherry radish is a small radish. It is named cherry radish because its appearance is similar to that of a cherry. It is a type of four-season radish that can be sown all year round. Cherry radish has the characteristics of being tender in quality and growing rapidly. Its shape and color are attractive, making it look more like a fruit. Compared to familiar radishes, it has less spiciness and is crisp and tasty, suitable for eating raw. Now, let's look at the planting and harvesting process. Prepare the land and make beds. Fertilize to increase nutrients. Cover with plastic film to increase soil temperature. Sow seeds. Spray water. Manage the field, ensuring the daytime temperature reaches 25 degrees Celsius. The nighttime minimum temperature should not be lower than 7 to 8 degrees Celsius. Increase ventilation to control leaf growth and promote taproot expansion. Cherry radish grows quickly with a growth period of around 30 days. Some very early maturing varieties mature in 3 weeks. Start harvesting. Wash them. Pack them.